With a bit of luck, you'll come by with a slow pass.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, honey.
Wow.
This is the line here, guys.
Ryan.
Oh, back here, okay.
This is the line.
Okay. I assume you got on there. 600. Yeah, crop sensor stuff.
Do you know what days the B-25s are flying?
I thought I heard either Friday or Saturday.
Well, Friday.
All 16 of them are going to go off.
Friday probably for sure, because that's the Warbird flight day. But they may be doing a do
They're making their pass. Yeah.
Wednesday they're talking about Wednesday.
Hmm?
I think Wednesday they might do the doolittle.
Yeah, which would be off of the taxiway here, which is the length of the flight deck.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know whether they're going to do it. It's just, it's being talked about. Oh, here he comes again.
Is that where you were at?
Yeah, well, I wasn't on the day. I was by there. That's where they take off the March 4th.
Hopefully, just makes more than one pass.
Yeah, he's just doing a 360 at the south end there, and then he'll come around again. Oh, here he comes. Catch the afterburners on that?
I couldn't see them, but I'm sure they were on.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, on Saturday. They're going to do a bomber parade. So on Saturday they're going to have the first time